Break ID number 4324. 2018 Topps High Tech Baseball 1-box break. Go. Paul D.E. with a free spot. Looks like an orange in there, at least. Scott Kingery to 20. Nope. It was behind it. Wow, that's nice. Cal Ripken Jr. to 25. Baltimore. Myra GL. And Ted Williams to 50. Another orange, Victor Robles to 25. Brandon Woodruff to 99. First auto, Tiago Vieira. White Sox. Rob L.A. Look at this one. Green parallel auto, Ozzie Albies to 99. Atlanta, Paul D.E. Paul's had a good night. That's a nice card. Austin Hayes to 150. Andujar rookie. Acuna rookie. All right. Not bad. I like that stuff. There'll be more of that up there tomorrow. Actually, it'll be up there tonight.